If you thought robot vacuums were just for cleaning floors, the Roborock Saros Z70 will change your mind completely. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a robotic helper. At the heart of its design is the revolutionary OmniGrip mechanical arm, a 5-axis arm that can move objects, lift items up to 300 grams, and even tidy up small household clutter like socks and tissues. With dual cameras, LED lighting, and precision sensors, it handles objects with care, making it as much a helper as it is a cleaner. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Saros Z70 leaves no corner untouched. Its intelligent multi-pass system detects and moves obstacles, returning later to clean areas that were blocked. With the FlexiArm side brush and mop, it can reach into corners most robots miss. Thanks to its Adapt-to-Lift chassis, it effortlessly handles thresholds up to 4 centimeters and even lifts its mop to clean around carpets with ease. Combine that with an incredible 22,000 PUR suction and hot water mopping, and you have a machine built to tackle everything from everyday dust to stubborn stains. Navigation is powered by Roborock's StarSight 3D system, which recognizes over 100 different obstacles for smooth, safe movement in complex spaces. The multifunctional Dock 4.0 takes hands-free maintenance to the next level with hot water mop washing, auto dust emptying, detergent dispensing, and warm air drying. Despite its power, the Saros Z70 is only 3.14 inches tall, letting it glide under furniture with ease. For pet owners, it's even smarter, recognizing pets and their spaces, avoiding scaring them, and even capturing adorable snapshots. Add in AI-driven customization, app control, and the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant, and the Saros Z70 is more than just a vacuum. It's the most advanced robotic cleaning companion ever made.